We're here at Neiman Marcus at the Stanford Shopping Center in Palo Alto, California. This was formerly a Montgomery square button?
No, it had EPCO Circline.
Really nice motor. This is where the original Braille used to be.
It's very quiet on this one. They like drilled the KONE lantern into the already existing swing panel.
Yeah.
Does not behave like a KONE.
It's not every day you see these buttons on a Hydro. Let's go again. Original cab. Classic levels a little bit. There's where the original indicator used to be. There we go. Going up.
Yes, I'm going up. Hopefully you're going up.
Yep, we are.
Okay, good. Could I ask why you're taking pictures of that?
Yeah, we're just it's just a hobby of ours. Elevators.
Seriously?
Yep.
Oh, fun.
Yeah, just like some people like cars, we
Exactly.
we like elevators.
Cool.
You have a good one.
Go for it.
I like those kind of old people. Not the ones who are like, oh, well, that's weird. Kind of like you.
The viewer?
The what?